Yeah. They keep asking when you gon' make it. Damn. If only they knew what's going on inside. But it's cool. God got me. Yeah. 20-something still trying to find my lane. Everybody winning, I'm stuck in the rain. Homies got careers, new cribs, gold chains. I'm still praying every night for better days. Mom and dad had dreams they put on me. Thought I'd be way bigger than what they see. I know they love me, I ain't throwing shade, but sometimes that pressure got me feeling like I failed. Scrolling through the gram, everybody up. New whip, new job, champagne in they cup. Meanwhile I'm like, what's wrong with me? Why my blessings moving at a different speed? Late nights overthinking in my room, trying to smile but my head full of fumes. Still wake up, gotta keep that chin high, cause quitting ain't the move, that's a damn lie. I ain't where they thought I'd be, but maybe I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. God don't miss, even when I can't see, yeah. I ain't got it all, but I'm still standing. Life hit hard, still ain't panic. They say, bro, you moving way too slow. I say, God got time and y'all don't know. I ain't fretting, I ain't fronting. Still got faith when I got nothing. One day they'll see what I've been praying for, cause Jesus always opens up the right door. Yeah, I cried, ain't ashamed to admit it. Some nights felt like I was losing every minute. Questioned myself like 100 damn times, but God kept whispering, your season ain't mine. Everybody got a race, I can't copy. Comparison only leaves your soul empty. I stopped trying to live for everybody's eyes, started living for the one above the skies. Maybe I ain't rich, maybe I ain't famous. Every Noah story still looking nameless, but every setback built another layer. Now my faith way stronger than my fear. I know God ain't ghost me, He just working where I can't see. Every no was protection, every delay got a lesson, hey. So if I gotta wait, I'ma wait. If I gotta crawl, I'ma crawl, cause I'd rather walk with Jesus than run without a purpose. I ain't got it all, but I'm still breathing. Still got hope, still believe it. What God wrote can't nobody erase. Even if I'm moving at my own pace. Tell my moms, tell my pops, I'm still fighting, I won't stop. I know I ain't what y'all imagine yet, but God's still writing every chapter left. Corny, they gon' understand why I had to wait. Now my timeline, this timeline.